Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this episode I want to show to you how you can collect the seed or the tree of the life. I call it the tree of the life cilantro because in Africa, in Japanese, in all America, Europe, this is the best of the best ingredient in your kitchen. Very easy to have, no complication to grow. Everywhere you see there, you don't see nothing special campo, blah blah blah. Yes, your soil need to be softly, and you have cilantro, the best of the best ingredient in your kitchen. You see the seeds here? They are not ready. You see still some of them green. When you see your tree or life brown like that, ready. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna submit all this tree here and this bag. I'm gonna check to have all the seeds. All right. Cilantro, guy, you can have in the balcony, your penthouse, and the balcony, your apartment. Look, this space here is like a 4x4. I have a mint, cilantro, celery. I have another celery here, a lot of flowers. Look, I have mango there, and this is space 4x4. That means you can grow cilantro in the balcony, your penthouse, whatever city you live. Very easy, guy. Cilantro is the best of the best, no complicated to grow, very easy. Let me show to you what you're gonna do with this seed, guy. By the way, if you are local, you see this video, call me and come and get some seed. Look, one seed like that. Look, I have like millions here. Look, you have 3 seeds. You have cilantro for the rest of your life, guy. All right, nice and easy. Like you say, if you're local, you see the video, call me. Can't do your cilantro here, all right? I go free. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you. Look, this block here is 8x12. Look how many cilantro was there. 3 cilantro. Each hole on the holding block. Look, that means I am truly can tell you 100%. You can have this cilantro, and you are in the city. Look, right there, approved to you. Look, another 3 hole here, another 3 cilantro here. Look, very easy. Look what I'm talking about. All right, guys. Now look, I keep a cilantro here. You wanna keep in the sunshine for 1 day inside in this bag, because the heat is gonna make it easy for you to have the seeds. Look, this mint and cilantro, same family. This is your own medicine. You can have too. The best medicine on this planet. Ladies and gentlemen, there is your medicine. Look, I keep it right here for 1 day. After 1 day, you come and check. Look, you want to do after 1 day, you want to check and how like this. Look, after 5 minutes, what do you want to have? Millions of your medicine. Look, that's what you want to have. Nice and easy, guy. All right, I hope you enjoy this tutorial and help you. God bless all of you guys. Hasta la vista, baby.